You use toothpaste every single day, but have you ever wondered how it is actually made inside large modern factories? Today we are going to take you inside a toothpaste factory and show the complete process step by step, from raw ingredients to the final product. Everything is done using advanced machines and precise technology. It all begins with carefully selected ingredients like fluoride, abrasives, and flavoring agents that ensure cleaning and freshness. Each ingredient plays an important role in protecting your teeth and keeping your mouth clean and healthy every day. These materials are measured with extreme precision to maintain the perfect balance in the toothpaste formula. Even the smallest mistake in measurement can affect the quality, so everything is controlled very carefully. Once measured, all ingredients are prepared to be mixed together in the next stage of production. The ingredients are transferred into large industrial mixing tanks where powerful machines begin the blending process. As the machines rotate, the mixture slowly turns into a thick and smooth paste with a consistent texture. This process ensures that all ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the mixture without any lumps or imbalance. Air bubbles are removed during mixing to give the toothpaste a clean, glossy, and perfect finish. After proper mixing, the paste is now ready to move forward into the tube filling stage. Empty tubes are arranged on a conveyor belt and move forward towards the automatic filling machines. These machines fill each tube with an exact amount of toothpaste using high-precision technology. The process is extremely fast and accurate, ensuring every tube gets the same quantity of product. Thousands of toothpaste tubes are filled every hour without any delay or human error. Once filled, the tubes continue moving forward for sealing and quality inspection. The open ends of the tubes are sealed tightly using heat and pressure to prevent any leakage. This step is very important to maintain freshness and protect the toothpaste from contamination. Each tube is carefully inspected using machines to check for defects or any irregularities. Only the tubes that meet quality standards are allowed to move forward for final packaging. The finished tubes are packed into boxes using automated packaging systems in an organized manner. These boxes are then grouped together and prepared for shipping to stores around the world. Everything is handled efficiently to ensure the products reach customers safely and on time. From simple ingredients to a daily essential product, the entire process is fast, precise, and highly automated. And that is how toothpaste is made inside modern factories using advanced machines and technology.